Countries learn really well from each other, so it's really important we give them opportunity to talk to each other about their challenges, about their plans for the future, about their achievements. This is what these regional exchanges are about, and this year's topic is on forest reference level.
A forest reference level it's a starting point. It's a benchmark for assessing your performance. So countries estimate, they look backwards, they look at their past emissions, and against that, going onwards, they will see if they manage to go beneath that line, to actually reduce emissions.
Certain problems which we may be facing in our country and groping for solutions, they might have been already addressed by other countries, and they might have found certain solutions which may give cue to us as to what kind of measures we need to take to tackle that particular problem.
You are measuring your knowledge of forest reference emission levels on this long yellow dotted line. So if I know a lot, I'm going to walk all the way up here.
To harmonize and to what we call nesting between the national and regional FRL is also important, and we will do that in the few months ahead.
I think this gives them the potential to be more curious and a little more understanding, and have some confidence in clarifying that process, that bridge between forest reference levels, the other elements, and how all of that together helps them get to that process, that step of results-based payments.
In Southeast Asia, actually we are having a big clash between natural capital and the financial capital. This kind of FRL process will help us to guide our development program without damaging our environment and the natural forest.
Red debate is dominated by tropical forests, but if you look at the mountain forest in totality, it's a vast reservoir of carbon, and I think more focus needs to be given to mountain forests.
There are now possibilities to receive payments for results. So in that sense, you need to have a solid benchmark against which you can assess those results, so that you can ensure that you deserve those payments.
We want to go along with the international community on RED+. So for this, we have already submitted National RED+ strategy.
Such kind of knowledge sharing events, at the end of the day, everybody benefits. But again, the test for that will be that all these 13 countries are able to prepare their FRL documents, submit for technical evaluation to UNFCCC.